In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and efficient cooking appliance is essential. Whether you live in a small apartment or a dorm room or love to travel in your RV, this Ovente electric countertop single burner offers a versatile and powerful solution. This cooktop with a 725-inch cast iron hot plate and a sleek stainless steel base is designed to meet all your cooking needs. In this detailed review, we will explore the features, benefits, and why this product should be your next kitchen companion. The Ovente electric countertop single burner is a compact, portable, and efficient cooking appliance. Its powerful 1000-watt heating element can quickly heat up and cook a variety of dishes, making it perfect for frying, boiling, and keeping food warm. The 725-inch cast iron plate ensures even heat distribution, while the adjustable temperature control allows you to set the perfect cooking temperature for your meals. With its durable stainless steel construction and easy-to-clean surface, this burner is both stylish and practical. Key features and benefits. The Ovente Single Burner boasts a powerful 1000-watt heating element that heats up quickly and cooks food evenly. This efficiency makes it ideal for a range of cooking tasks, from boiling water to frying your favorite dishes. The cast iron hot plate ensures consistent heat retention and distribution, so your food is cooked to perfection every time. Adjustable temperature control. One of the standout features of the Ovente Single Burner is its adjustable temperature control. With 5 different settings, low, medium, and high, you can easily adjust the heat to suit your cooking needs. The indicator light on the front of the unit illuminates red when the burner is heating, providing a visual reminder for safety. The automatic shut-off feature prevents overheating and ensures that the desired temperature is maintained. Safety is a top priority with the Ovente Single Burner. The stainless steel housing is resistant to high temperatures and fire, ensuring long-lasting durability. The burner is designed with non-slip rubber feet to keep it stable during use, preventing accidents and spills. The heavy-duty construction means that it won't warp, rust, or bend even after years of use. This burner is perfect for small spaces. Its compact size makes it ideal for studio apartments, college dorms, RVs, and homes with limited kitchen space. When not in use, it can be easily stored in a cabinet or under the counter. Its lightweight design also makes it convenient to take on weekend camping trips or boat rides, providing a portable cooking solution wherever you go. Cleaning the Ovente Single Burner is a breeze. The non-stick cast iron plate and stainless steel surface can be wiped clean with a damp cloth or a non-abrasive sponge. There's no need to scrub off food drippings and oil splatters, making maintenance hassle-free. Ovente stands behind its products with a 1-year warranty, ensuring that the burner is free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use. Their US-based customer service provides peace of mind, knowing that any issues will be promptly addressed. The Ovente electric countertop single burner is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Here are some real-life scenarios where this burner shines. 1. College dorms and small apartments. For students living in dorms or individuals in small apartments, the Ovente Single Burner offers a convenient and efficient cooking solution. Its compact size doesn't take up much space, and its powerful heating element can handle a variety of cooking tasks, from making morning coffee to preparing dinner. 2. RVs and travel. When you're on the road in your RV, having a reliable cooking appliance is crucial. The Ovente Single Burner is lightweight and portable, making it easy to bring along on your travels. Whether you're boiling water for pasta or frying eggs for breakfast, this burner ensures you can enjoy home-cooked meals wherever you are. 3. Extra cooking space for parties and holidays. During holidays and parties, kitchen space can become a premium. The Ovente Single Burner provides an extra cooking surface, perfect for preparing additional dishes or keeping food warm. Its quick heating and adjustable temperature control make it a valuable addition to any busy kitchen. 4. Outdoor cooking. Enjoy the great outdoors with the Ovente Single Burner. It's perfect for camping trips, picnics, and beach outings. Set it up on a picnic table or a flat surface, and you're ready to cook up a feast. Its portability and ease of use make it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. 5. Everyday use. Even if you have a full-sized kitchen, the Ovente Single Burner can still be a valuable asset. Use it as an additional burner when your stove is full, or take it outside for a backyard barbecue. Its versatility and reliability make it a great tool for everyday cooking. The Ovente Single Burner is designed to deliver consistent performance. Its 1000-watt heating element ensures that your food is cooked evenly and quickly. The cast iron plate retains heat well, making it ideal for a variety of cooking methods. Whether you're frying, boiling, or simmering, this burner won't let you down. One of the biggest advantages of the Ovente Single Burner is its portability. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to store, making it perfect for those with limited space or those who love to travel. The adjustable temperature control and safety features add to its convenience, making cooking a hassle-free experience. Constructed with durable stainless steel and a cast iron plate, the Ovente Single Burner is built to last. Its safety features, including the non-slip rubber feet and automatic shut-off, ensure that you can cook with confidence. The easy-to-clean surface adds to its longevity, making it a smart investment for any kitchen. Ovente's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their 1-year warranty and US-based customer service. They stand behind their products, ensuring that you can buy with confidence. If any issues arise, their customer service team is ready to assist you. Final thoughts. The Ovente Electric Countertop Single Burner is a versatile, reliable, and efficient cooking appliance that suits a variety of needs. Its powerful heating element, adjustable temperature control, and durable construction make it a standout choice for anyone looking for a portable and efficient cooking solution. Whether you're a student, a traveler, or someone with limited kitchen space, this burner is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. With its easy-to-clean surface, safety features, and compact design, the Ovente Single Burner is a valuable addition to any kitchen. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your cooking experience with this exceptional appliance. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and portable cooking solution, the Ovente Electric Countertop Single Burner is the perfect choice. Its powerful heating, adjustable temperature control, and durable design make it a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're cooking at home or on the go, this burner ensures that you can enjoy delicious meals anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with the Ovente Single Burner, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and cooking tips.